Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm doing a review on this Pooph Pet Odor and Stain Eliminator. So it comes in this container. There is a seal. You're going to have to take the seal off. Then we're going to put the spray attachment on. Now the way you use this is, so say there's a dog mess, say dog left some poop on the carpet. You're going to take the poop away and then you're going to spray this after it's cleaned up to help eliminate the stain or the odor. Okay, so first it's got two places. You're going to put that, it comes in stop. When you rotate it to the one, it's got a stream that comes out, and you can stop again, and then rotate it again, and it's a mist. So I've got this old chair that's kind of stinking a little bit. Let's kind of spray it on there and see how it's going to do. You know, it's not scented or anything, but it does kind of give it a fresh air smell. I'm not sure exactly how it's doing that. Again, I don't smell any scent whatsoever, but it does smell better. Okay, so it says it contains water, suffocants, and patented odor eliminated blend. Now it does say you can use this on pets. You're supposed to spray it on a towel and then gently rub it like a microfiber towel and gently rub it into the affected area. Now I sprayed that chair and it doesn't say anything about wiping the chair once you spray it. It just kind of says let it soak in. So you do get 32 fluid ounces. It's a really big bottle. Let's measure it real quick. Height-wise, you're looking at it right at 11 inches. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.